back to BA Performance. So today we're going to be opening up this package that we got. Me and Matt found a website called Banggood.
Yep.
And it's basically like Chinese Wish/Amazon.com
Pretty much.
kind of website. And so they have motors on there, 50cc two-stroke motors, and the price was only $75. So we bought a motor, a throttle, and a fuel cell, and the total only came to $100, including tax and shipping. So
there's a fuel cell somewhere in this?
Yeah, there's a fuel cell in here. That's this piece right here. So we're gonna open it up and see what we got here.
Wow. All right. Yeah.
So start with the small one, huh?
Well, yeah, that's the most exciting one. That's probably where the engine is. This is just the fuel cell.
So yeah, if you pick this thing up, I mean, you guys can see here, this is like, what, 18 inches? And
yeah,
you can pick it up with 2 fingers.
Yeah,
it looks like a shoebox, and it feels like there might be shoes in it.
Pretty much, yeah.
So this is a twist throttle, and it looks like it has a kill switch on it too.
Okay.
So that might be useful. This was $8.
Okay, bring that closer to the camera.
Okay.
Yeah, right there.
So I can already tell one problem is it didn't come with a cable.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that is an issue.
So we have a throttle with no cable. So we'll have to figure out a cable for it.
But, I mean, what can you expect for $8? For
$8, yeah, it makes sense. It's a switch. I mean, it's got the whole actuating gear and stuff, so I mean, it should be pretty simple to figure out.
Yeah.
From there. And then just a switch, I guess you could use it for anything, but maybe we'll use it. Oh yeah, we'll use it for kill switch, I guess, because it's pull start.
Right. Yeah, yeah.
So,
perfect. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. Now the next one.
Yeah, right here. So try not to destroy it.
Careful, there might be stickers in there.
Yeah. So I'm guessing this is the 1 liter fuel tank, which I don't know. I think a liter's bigger than this. It's a metric liter, that's what it is.
Right.
So yeah, I mean that'll hold some gas, enough for a couple minutes, 10-15 minutes probably runtime.
Yeah. Perfect. Enough to get to and from the gas station.
Yeah. Alright, just says made in China on the box with a SKU number. So that's, whatever's in here was made in China.
I can't believe it got here so quickly.
Oh yeah. Right. Well, they have a US,
like hub?
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay. It looks, I mean, so far from what I can see, it's something in there is red, which it was red in the picture.
Oof, this could be fast.
A lot of styrofoam. Wow. Oh, this is pretty small, guys.
Oh man. Yeah, bring that. What? Yeah, this thing is
It's tiny.
it's something.
So I mean, this is a gearbox, and there's a carburetor, and there's a cylinder. So I mean, it's actually all aluminum.
Really?
Which is surprising me. I thought it would be plastic.
Yeah, it feels like it should all be plastic.
I mean, I bet even this piece is aluminum, as light as this thing is.
I wouldn't doubt it.
You know? I mean, it's probably like recycled soda can aluminum, but
Yes.
still,
Whatever. Don't expect it to last forever anyway.
Yeah. So here's the other plug for the kill switch.
Nice.
So that's pretty much halfway done.
Yeah. We have no idea what we're going to put this on.
Yeah,
Or
we just
what we're
bought
doing with it?
because we thought it looked cool. Should I give it a pull and see if it has compression?
Sure.
Oh yeah, it has compression. So
You can hold the engine and
and start it.
Yeah.
This is like basically a chainsaw without any of the chainsaw. It's
Yeah.
just the motor.
well, if all else fails and we don't put it on something that makes us move, we can make a
chainsaw.
Make a chainsaw.
All right, that's pretty cool. Keep watching, guys. Another episode, and we'll figure out what we're gonna do with this thing. We'll figure out if it actually works or not.
Yeah. No idea, but you talk about cheap budget builds.
Yeah, you can't get less than $100 for a throttle, a fuel tank, and an engine.
Yeah.
Brand new.
So
crate engine. Well, I don't know about crate, but
foam engine.
All right, guys, we showed you the unboxing of this $75 motor. We've had it for a little while and did a little bit of planning, and we cobbled all this scrap metal together to make a death trike.
Yeah, that it is.
You know, we're still waiting on some wheels, and we're kind of just tacked together. But I think we're ready to start it, huh?
Yeah, there we go.
So let's give her a pull and see what happens. Let's get something. Oh, gotta probably warm up a little bit. Actually, yeah.
This thing like locks. Like when you pull it, it'll lock at certain points and then go. That's why.
Weird.
See, when it comes out all the way, it'll start.
Why won't it work? Alright, let me try and break it once.
No, I didn't touch it at all.
Oh, that's not gonna have enough power.
Oh, there's not even wheels on it. I'm already afraid. Wow. Probably shut that fuel off.
So, I think we tried again, but like half as much choke on there. Golly, this is definitely safe.
Yeah. That's gonna spin right off. As soon as you started spinning, it was like coming off.
Yeah.
I didn't want that to shoot off at you.
Mint.
Yeah. Well, it works. I really love the fact that the exhaust manifold is right next to your back, so we're totally getting burnt a lot.
Yeah, I was thinking that too. Now I think we need that backrest protection from that.
That's even gonna get hot. Ooh. Oh, it's sketchy. Oh yeah, choke here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Well,
this is how I die.
This is how I die. Alright guys, it's mid-October. It's pretty chilly. We got our Banggood motor mounted. We got our fucking bike pretty much built. We got these sweet tires on it. What do you think, Matt?
She's almost a ripper.
She's almost a ripper. We gotta tighten the wheels, put gas in it, see if we can make it run.
That should be it, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can help me get these wheels tightened? Because I don't think I'm gonna be able to tighten that wheel without...
I'm holding the camera.
Oh, okay. All right. Fair enough.
It doesn't have to be too tight. That's good. That's plenty. It's just 50 pounds on these is plenty. They ain't going nowhere.
Build the socket on there for quick.
Yeah, you just put the extension in it and good to go.
You got one more thing I gotta do though before it's done. Aside from that gas, you had gas.
Man, she's looking gnarly. Let me get the stand down here. We got like a whole puddle of kittens right there.
It's not the only puddle we made today.
Those guys are gonna take off running once this thing starts up.
Okay. Yeah.
Putting all the gas in. Just.
Yeah, I thought you said you were putting all the gas in.
I'm dumping all the gas out.
Voila!
Voila.
This is the best project, closest project, and quickest project we've gotten done in a long time.
And from scratch too,
Yeah.
basically. Turn the fuel on here.
That it's not getting?
Yeah, well, we'll get some in there. Yeah, we're gonna fire it up. Maybe. Probably. Remember which way the choke was? Up, down? Doesn't matter?
Nope. Don't remember anything. Did you turn the fuel on?
Yeah, I think so. No kill switch on this thing, so you know.
Well, you get to test drive it.
Oh, wait, you're test driving.
No. Oh, I shut the fuel off.
Ah.
Snubbed it again.
Can't let the choke all the way out, apparently. I think,
You ready to rip her?
yeah.
Alright.
No, but yeah.
You grab that, I'll grab this then.
Yeah, I'm ready to die.
Wouldn't have built this if we weren't.
What, half choke or so?
Uh-oh. And he's gone. Will he ever come back? Who knows? Riding off into the night. It looks terribly slow. You can't see it. I think he's completely stopped now. Oh, yeah, it died. This isn't making for good content. What a ripper! You would have went faster before when it was still just a pedal bike.
It was pretty scary at first, dude. I don't know what happened when it was like really ripping. It wasn't really ripping. I was a little afraid of my jacket getting sucked into the chain.
I don't blame you.
Alright, first test ride, successful.
Perfect. Nobody can see it. They can only see the flashlight, but...
At least it's not that hard to push back home. Oh, chain fell off.
Ah, remember when I asked you if that was tight enough?
I guess not.
Okay, well, let's fix that.
Oh. Needs more.
I don't know why it's...
Yeah, well, that's wide open. Wide open, but it's gonna go. Yeah! Are you giving it? Well, it's moving still. Oh, the amount of smoke coming out of this thing. It does not handle the hill too well. I think we need to give her more power. Wow, he's off of it, pushing it. Goddamn, riding like a scooter.
Yeah, it's actually, I mean, it doesn't have enough power, but going good now.
Huh?
You know you want to go for a ride.
Yeah, I want to go for a ride. Here we go.
So, what I figured out, don't use this pedal at all for anything for other than what I just did.
Yeah.
Keep your feet kind of out in the ground to kind of like brace you. And if you need to put your feet up, put it on the bracket, not on the actual pedal. Yeah, because I just put my foot right here instead. You gotta put your pedal up. Put your pedal up. No. Yeah. He's got the pedal dragging. He looks like an old man on like a hover round or whatever they call those. The little electric mobility scooters. I wish you guys could see him. He's stuck. Oh, he tuned her up a little bit. That exhaust is gonna break. Guaranteed. Oh, I was gonna tell you to stop anyway.
The belt at the end there. Oh man, dude, she was just getting good.
I saw that. Yeah, I could. I knew, dude.
That thing's sweet, dude.
I knew you had to stop because with how much this was bouncing, I was like, yeah, we do actually need to make a bracket for that. It's gonna break, just like I thought I would.
Oh, dude, that thing is. Dude,
that's
it gets
gold.
going, dude. Once you get the, I had to open it up because I was barely moving down there. So I put that choke switch all the way down, and it's got plenty of power.
Oh, dude, I saw, like, I was walking around, I was like, oh, he's stuck. And then, like, I heard, "Whang!" You were just giving her the beans. And I was like, oh, yep, he figured out, just give her more power.
Heck yeah, man. Win.
Yeah, yeah, totally.
Hey guys, we had an awesome time ripping on this little death trike. I wouldn't say it's a drift trike yet, definitely a death trike. Super sketchy. If you guys like this, like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, and peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.